Hello, this is Glenda from Beads Gone Wild, and I just wanted to introduce you to the brand new patent pending Bead Easy Beater's Workstation. And what it is, it's a great idea. We've been working with it for over a year, and it's brand new to the market. As I said, patent pending. We're very excited. What it is it comes with a magnetic board. It's 8 by 10 inches. Little letters so you can identify your beads if you want to use the ABC numbers, and these can actually fit right in the cups or they can be outside the cups. It just depends what you want to do. It comes with a little shovel to make cleanup very easy. I'll show you that. A little spoon so you can dip out what you need and not too much. A carry case where you can carry all your beads or tools, and a needle magnet so that when you're in between beading, you can set your needle there and not lose it. So just to explain a little, the kits, they come with 10 cups or 20 cups. You can buy additional cups 5 at a time, like this. Some patterns require 30 beads, like this one was 30 beads, so you would need 30 cups, and they should all fit on there. To start, you can put a scoop of beads in. It would look about like that. You can put 2 scoops in here. It would look about this full. This one has like, I don't know, it's like half full. This one's almost nearly full, like 90% full. And I just want to show you the different ways that you can pick up your beads when they're in these cups. So if you have the one where it's the fullest, that one's the easiest to just scoop it like this. I don't know, you can see there's 3 beads on there. If I only want one, I just scrape the other 2 off. But this one is a very light motion, kind of skimming in the top. And it does have to be pretty full for you to do that, but this is good when you need to pick up 5, 6, 7, 10 of a bead, and you can count them and get rid of the ones you don't want. This system is best for when you're either picking out the beads because you're doing something like this with the 30 colors, and I usually will read the recipe and I'll pull out the colors, one of number 30 something, one of this one, 2 of that, 3 of this, and I would line all the beads up here, count to make sure I have the exact number that I need, and then I would stitch them on to the work. So this works very good, or this amount in the cup. Both work very good for picking out beads like that, because you have the edge of the cup and it's easy. This one is a little hard because you'd probably spill some, and this one is, out of all the configurations, this is the one that doesn't work very well at all. So you want to stick with a few beads, and when you shake them like that, the hole faces up, so it's easy to get in there. Or this one where it's fuller and you can just drag your needle through there like that. For identifying your beads, as I said, you can use the ABCs. They can be in or out of the tray. Another option is to take a tray and put a piece of paper there. And then when you have your cups, and you can just write the color numbers on the cup or in front of the cup. So this would be a system like that. And you can just put the color numbers there. And that's a good system. Another one is you could just cover the whole board with a piece of paper, and again, put them on here and write the number. So one of the reasons why we wanted to make an where these cups can be moved around is, if you're working on things where you need more of this color and then that color, you can move these ones closer to you, or you can arrange the angle at which you're picking them up. You can keep them in a nice, neat line if you want. You can do a lot with it. But the real reason we made them single cups like this and adjustable. It's for the cleanup. So to keep them separated, and then for the cleanup, which is very easy. Oops, I lost my bag. So for cleaning up, you would just take your cup, pour it in your shovel, and then pour it in your tube or bag, like that. So that was one thing that I liked about keeping the individual cups. This little spoon fits in a tube, so you can just take a little bit of beads, and any bead, shake it, drop it, it sits whole up. So that's good like that. So people ask if there's if they have a top, little tops, and no, we don't, because tops would just increase the price, double the price, and I don't really feel like it's, well, I carry my board like this in an, you can carry it from the kitchen to the living room, I carry it back and forth to work like this. If I'm carrying the food and the dogs and everything, I put it in a box and then put this on top of it, and then I carry it. But that's a little risky. But I will show you 2 other ways that you can carry it using some additional tools. So stay tuned for that. The other thing is you can fit it in the Design and Go, Save and Go. And let's close this over. Go wherever you want to go, throw it around, and when you're done, it's there. So we hope you enjoyed this little presentation. Remember, if it's your first time picking up beads from the cup, give yourself some trial time and learn, try different things and see what works best for you. Remember, you can have the very small amount, quite full, the not so good choice, and then 2 spoons. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions or problems, please be sure to get a hold of us. We would love to help you with anything you need. Thank you. Oh, you can email us at info@beadsgonewild.com, or you can go on the website, which is beadsgonewildstore.com. Thank you very much. Bye.